Welcome to Mechanicy Stuff. Welcome to Mechanicy Stuff. Today's adventure is a bit of a sciencey stuff. It's a test on these rusty springs that we took off Fiona. I'm going to test electrolysis against chemical dip. The recipe, I've actually said it before in another video. It's nothing to do with me. I can't take credit for it. It's a gentleman at Backyard Ballistics has come up with this. I love it. I've tried all sorts of things with it, but it'd be interesting to compare it to electrolysis. Right, if you like stuff like this, please like and subscribe. If you press the bell icon, it'll tell you about future videos and stuff like that, and it helps the channel grow. Right, let's get on with it. First, safety specs, because you're playing with chemicals. Put the old bowl on that. This is just box standard citric acid, and you want 100 grams. Just set the kitchen weights back in the kitchen weights down. I reckon about 3 litres, so I've got about 300 grams. I'm guessing. I'm hoping 300 grams will cover it. 280. Bloody stupid glasses. 303. Well, they're crap bloody weighing scales. I keep them going up. That says 300. No, I'm actually convinced about that. 298. Don't know how accurate you have to be. 299. 300. I'll just give these a wipe. It's me. It's really warm here today and very humid. Right, 300 grams of citric acid. We want 120 grams of these are the soda crystals. It's basically 100 grams of citric acid to 40 grams of soda crystals to a litre of water and a good squirt of fairy liquid. Well, I say 360, so we want 300, so we want 420. $4.20. Now you actually want a bigger bucket. Really, I've got this. I've just given them all a little wash out. It wants a good squirt of fairy liquid as well. I'll just give me 2 minutes and I'll go find it. Right, and a right good squirt of fairy liquid. I don't actually know how much, but just give it a right good bloody squirt. Right, you want your safety glasses now, because you're going to add 3 litres of water to that. You can see on my mucky jug. What's that? Oh, that's 2 litres to the top of that. That's not too bad, is it? And another one. No, I think I've got. Nope, there we go. Right. Let's have a look in there. You can see the chemical reaction. Give it a squirt. This is why you want really sort of like a bigger bucket. Give that a stir. Basically, till all the soda crystals and that, it'll bubble up a bit. Allegedly, it's got the pH of tomato juice, tomato ketchup, so... Right, while that one's doing that, this is the tank for the other one. I want some more water, actually. It's the only bit of clean steel I can find in the workshop. You need something that's not coated, as I understand. Oh, we might get away with it like both of them are in. Right. And again, we want some washing soda in that. You can use baking soda, you can use salt, anything really. Give it a couple. Don't know if there's any actual for that. Right. I want to try and put them both in at the same time, so let me just have a little tidy up. I have some bright wire here, which we will attach to this. This is going to be a that should stay. I don't know if the wire actually needs to be in the bloody water, you know. Let's put it in the water. They haven't to touch. Why don't we stick it right over the end? Because it's all easy slipping. Okay. And it looks to me like that's bloody leaking. I don't believe it. It is. Right, we'll have to sort with the bucket. Right, I finally found a bucket with no bloody holes in it. If you just have a quick peek inside, you can see it's clean water. And what we'll do is we'll add some more washing soda. Again, it's basically to make it conduct a lot better than it does. Let's stick that down. Try me stir. Stir. Right, the bright wire I'm going to attach to the rusty bit like that. Can stick him in, submerge him. I'll get down it, bucket. Let's have a look at that, you can see that in there. That's totally submerged. Now these don't want to touch, so I'll get another bit of wire. I can take these glasses off now, I might be able to see what I'm doing. There's a little bit of bright wire somewhere. I don't know what I'm doing with it. Hold on a minute, I'll just I found it, popped over back and down, so chop another bit of bright wire. And wherever my cathode goes, whatever it is, anode, cathode, I don't know which one's bloody which. But we'll do that. That's under the water, we'll bend him over. Right, as I am down to touch. Right. Now what I'll do, I'll attach the negative wants to go on to this is obviously plugged in because you're messing around with water and electricity and it don't mix, does it? The live goes to your bright metal that's hopefully going to attract the rust off the other one. I'll set the charger on 6 volts, right? I'm going to plug it in now, but not turn it on, and I shall drop the, get in there, bugger, and I will pop the other one in the bucket at the same time. So he's on and he's on, he's in. You can have a look in the bucket. You can see, you can actually see this one's fizzing already. Oh yeah, that you can actually see that one's fizzing already. So the reaction's pretty immediate, isn't it? Right, what we'll do is we'll leave these for 24 hours, yeah? And we'll come back to them in 24 hours and we'll see what the difference is between if the chemical dip works quicker than the electrolysis or vice versa. All right, catch you next time.